guys, it's Saturday morning and let me turn Mecca down. Hello Mecca, she's getting ready to get started, so I'm gonna have to put you guys down, but I'm getting ready to work out. There's Ethan. It's 10 o'clock, so I don't know what he's doing. So I took pre-workout this morning, like a few minutes ago. I have some BCAAs in here, which I need to start taking more of. She's just giving instructions about how she starts over if people aren't counting and doing the exercises. Guys, all I've done is the warm up and I'm sweating. I've burned 200 calories so far and that's just the warm up. So now we're getting ready to do the rest of it. Oh my gosh. So Ethan found this thing that's actually for a pumpkin, but we received this box of sneak peek on something that's coming soon, I guess. Super Clean did send me some cleaner, not just wheel cleaner, but like all-purpose cleaner. And I am trying it out to see how I like it, and I will tell you about it if I like it and all that good stuff. But so that's that. But now we have this box, which I sprayed down yesterday. And Ethan found this, which is for pumpkins. And obviously we don't do pumpkin stuff in May. It's May 1st today. The light is flickering. It's for pumpkins? So instead of using this for a pumpkin, we're going to use this box to do the same thing that the pumpkin is doing. So yeah, so the first step is painting the box. I don't think we're going to have enough. That's how much green paint they give you. I don't think that's going to be enough for this, but this is just all in fun. Open it. And that's all he cares about. He just wants to open it and make a mess. So that is what we're doing. So Ethan, you're going to paint this box, okay? Okay. And then once we paint the box, Mommy is going to help you put on the eyes and the tail, okay? It's going to be so cool. It's going to be a dinosaur. Okay? Are you ready? Okay. Nice. We're going to, after you finish painting the box, we can put the stickers on. Okay? Oh, you're doing a good job. Let me show them what you've done so far. That's what you've done so far. Good job, Ethan. And more paint. More paint. All right, so while he's doing that, I'm going to clean the kitchen. Okay, it's okay. You can paint the other sides now. That side's done. Now you can paint. Now you can paint this side.
Can you help me? Help me to get that.
Make big strokes like that. Okay. Make big strokes.
And more paint.
You better paint, Ethan. Are you painting?
Lot of paint in here. Wait, hey, it's paint on me. And hold the ball. I need to
covered the whole side? Do you still see some brown spots? Where? Let me see. Okay, you gonna do that side now? Ethan, you did such a good job. Wow. On to the next thing. That's how it looks. They think these go on their body. Ethan said that that's his cheese, so that's his snack. Yeah, that was a fun little thing. This was original price was $3.99, but you know Michael's is always having a sale, so it was probably on sale because I very rarely buy anything at Michael's that it's not on sale. Do you love him? What's his name?
Dinosaur.
His name is Dinosaur? But what about another name? Because you are a human, but your name is Ethan, right? He is a dinosaur, but what is his name? You want Xavier to help you give him a name? Okay, go ask Xavier.
Danny.
Danny?
Danny the dinosaur.
Danny the dinosaur. I love it.
Danny dinosaur.
Do you love it? Wait, isn't that the name of that book? Oh no. What does this mean? So I blacked out and cleaned everything. Now Ethan, he needs to get dressed. And then I need to get in the shower. Here, Ethan.
Hey, today we're going to a surprise place that Mommy said nothing about when I asked her where we were going. I don't know where we're going. I don't know at all. I don't know where we're going at all. I don't know where we're going at all. Ethan, I thought Ethan was about to go to sleep. Say hi, Ethan. Hi. And I don't know where we're going, so see you guys when we're there.
Yes, this is my laundry on my bed. We are home. This is what I wore on the boat. Just these distressed jeans and this white shirt, and I had on a tan like windbreaker style jacket that comes down to like here, and a pink crossbody. The boys both had on the same thing, these little khaki type pants. So now that we're home, we're just going to relax. I'm probably going to do another workout because I had a scoop of ice cream and I had a macaroni and cheese, and I didn't have a lot of macaroni and cheese because I gave Ethan most of it, and I was eating like his fries. Tomorrow is my grandmother's birthday, so we'll probably go. I already have a card for her. So we'll probably go drop that off tomorrow. And it's supposed to be a nice day tomorrow, so we'll see what the day.
I'll be laughing.
You what?
I'll be laughing.
She has merely been transposed to another of our spheres. Hold on.
I'm wearing Xavier's robe. You have on your own robe. And you got oatmeal on your face. Was your oatmeal good? Don't. I'm trying to do my voiceover. Of course, so I'm trying to hide in here, but he found me. So, hi guys. So I got my video up. So now I'm gonna figure out what I'm wearing today. I was thinking a dress, but because it's gonna be like hot today. But I think I'm gonna wear this little. Remember in my stress cleaning video, I was like, where am I gonna wear this stuff? I think I'm gonna wear this to her house. So I got this from the junior section in Ross. So it's an extra large because it's really not cut large. But it's like flowy and it's pants. So if I have to like run after the boys or whatever, I won't be too stressed out about it. And yeah, and it's light and airy because it's gonna be warm outside today. So I think I'm gonna wear that. All right, so this is how it looks. I feel like I need a belt or something around the waist to break up the pattern, but I think it's really cute. So yeah, super cute. I'm gonna just put some sandals on. There's a ton of family here, so I will film as much as I can, but there's a bunch of people, so we don't want to invade their privacy. It's kind of awkward. What's happening, Ethan?
I don't know.
So we are leaving my grandmother's birthday celebration.
I just hurt myself.
Ethan hurt himself towards the end. The boys were running around and got a little bit scraped up, but that is okay. We washed him up, patched him up, got a band-aid. Xavier, same thing. Hey guys, so we are back in the house. It is after 10:30 now. So today escalated very quickly. You have 5 more minutes before you need to go to bed, okay, Ethan? You have 5 minutes, okay? Alexa, set a timer for 5 minutes.
No.
5 minutes, starting now.
Alexa, 5 minutes.
So next weekend is Xavier's 10th birthday. So and it's Ethan's half birthday. I have some fun things planned for him. I actually am trying not to go too far into the details because I know he is eavesdropping in the other room. Are you eavesdropping?
Uh-huh.
Are you listening?
Yeah.
Not you.
Yeah.
So yeah, so I think I'm just going to wrap up the vlog here. I'm just going to go work out and
I'll
then
go get and put on my toys.
I'm just gonna work out and then get in the bed, and we're back at it again next week with all of the work stuff. So
Good job.
thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.